Good morning, all of you. Today, I would like to talk about my Republic spoken class journey. When I came to spoken English class, I met the sir, and I first I met the sir. First of all, I tell you one story why I am came to spoken English class. One day we have one function is there, one family function. My maternal uncle daughters and my relatives daughters are came us and she is talking English very nice and so much, and she is talking English is more and more. And then some people are and some relatives are saying, "Hey, Sidling Sia, he's a small girl. He's a fifth standard girl. She is speaking English very nice, and she's speaking English very fantastic." And in my mind, I thinking, why Sidling you have confidence and you attend spoken English class. And I was thinking, then I attend spoken English class. I learned so much in Republic spoken English class. I learn what is the confidence and what is the courage, and I learn how to make sentence and how to speak English and how to do communication with other people. And I learned so much in spoken English class. And one day I went to my village and I speak English. I speak English in front of people, and people are saying, "What Sidling, you change so much, and your English is very good. You speak English very fantastically." Then I will happy, and my father and my mother also very happy. That's why I learn so much in Republic's spoken English class. The Republic spoken English class is very fantastic class, and sir is giving more information, and sir is giving English knowledge, and sir take good classes, and our sir has more knowledge. And I learned so much. I learned so much in Republic spoken English class. That but nowadays I will changing in my life, and I will serious in my life also. And for I don't know how to speak English and how to write English, how to communicate with people. That's why I joined spoken English class. Now I am changing. Now I am change my career and changing my life. That's why. Thank you, Ananda.
Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Today I would like to speak about my 7th and 6th standard journey. When I was in 7th and 6th standard, I was very introvert student. Introvert student. Did not used to speak with my friends, and I did not used to participate in any competition, and I was very introvert person, and I did not have any stage courage, and I did not know how to speak with people and how to interact with people and how to communicate with other people. And after 7th standard, I made it, I decided to improve my communication skill, and I want to develop my stage courage. And uh, came to Republic spoken English class, and I told to my sir, I want to develop my communication skill and stage courage, and I want to speak English very fluently. And after telling my sir, sir suggested me to you join our course, and I joined 3 months course. Now I am speaking very fluently English, and sir taught me very nicely, and sir taught me grammar, what is a noun, what is pronoun, what is conjunction and tenses. And now I am developing my stage courage, and today I am speaking in front of few people, means because my sir. And this is my journey. Thank you, one and all.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about my improvement. And when I was in school, I read well, but I have some fear because I had some fear. Because of that fear, I couldn't participate in some competitions like Rangoli competitions, speech competition, and some I can't participate anything. So I didn't participate many competitions because of fear. Now I completed 10th, and when I came PUC, I joined science course, and 1 month I didn't understood anything because I don't know how to understand English. So I completed my PUC also, but I got result. I felt very bad because I want to learn English. So now I think, and I joined spoken English class, that is Republic spoken English class, and I joined there, and there is very good class. And before I was very nervous and very uh, unconfident girl. So I whenever I speak in front of people, I had lot of fear. But now when I joined Republic spoken English class, now I have confidence and I have no fear and I don't nervous. So this is my practice, and there is a day-to-day practice here. So I learned so much from Republic spoken English.
Okay. So whenever you speak in front of your friends, whenever you give your presentation, first what you need to do is you need to make your eye contact. Okay. Look at everyone and be actually confident, be courageous. Okay. And speak clearly. Whenever you speak something in front of your friends, speak with clarity and use your whatever hand expression. Okay. So use your gesture like stand properly, look at everyone. In fact, you are not making eye contact. This is what you need to do. Okay. So just move that side, move that side. I want to just tell you. So hi, good morning everybody. You repeat.
Hi, good morning, everybody.
So when I came here for the first time,
When I came here from the first time,
when I came to Republic Spoken English class for the first time,
when I come to Republic spoken English class from
For the first
for
time.
the first time,
when I was standing over here,
when I am standing over here,
so I was shivering.
I was shivering.
I was shivering.
I was shivering.
I was not able to speak properly.
I
I was not able to speak properly.
I was not able to speak properly.
I was not able to communicate properly.
I was not communicate
properly.
I was not
Able to
able to communicate properly because
I had
I had some
hesitation.
I had hesitation
I
and
had fear.
I had fear.
Now
Now
you can see me.
you can see me.
I can speak.
I can speak.
You can see me.
You can see me.
I can present.
I can
I
present.
can communicate.
I can
I
communicate.
can give presentation.
I can give communication.
I can give presentation.
I can give presentation
Because I developed my courage.
I developed my
I
courage.
developed my confidence.
I developed my confidence.
That's why
That's why
I want to tell all of you.
I want to tell all of you,
If you want to learn English,
if you want to learn
if
English,
you want to improve your English communication,
if you want to improve your communication,
you join Republic Spoken English
you
Academy.
you join Republic Spoken English Academy.
You learn English.
You learn English.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, one and all.
Just you introduce yourself. Tell me something about yourself.
Good morning. My name is Priya.
Use your hands.
My
Yes.
name is Priya. I am from Savalagibbi.
Okay.
I completed my PU2 Science,
Second PUC.
second PUC
Okay.
in Gurukul College,
Okay.
and I want to become engineer.
Okay.
My hobbies are reading, writing, and playing games.
Okay.
That's my
Okay. Thank you. Yes.